Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put an image in a circle here in Canva. So let's begin. Putting an image in a circle in Canva is a simple process that can offer several design and functional benefits, especially for enhancing visual appeal and layout. Now, there are a couple of methods that you can achieve this effect, putting an image in a circle. Number one is, I'm going to select all of these elements. If you basically check our Gplabs YouTube channel, you might want to check the topic of how to group all the layers. All right, I'm not going to show it to you now, but instead this is very important because I'm going to add another page and I'm going to go to the elements and click the shapes. Of course, I'm going to choose a circle. All right, so I'm going to choose all the circle elements right here. For example, these two elements. Actually, a little bit circle. Now, since I've grouped the element from this first page, what I'm going to do is click on paste, copy, and then paste it here. But I can now resize it to whatever I want and put this whole image inside the circle. Okay, copy that, and I'm going to do it again here. Going to add another background, for example, this coffee beans right here. So that's one way for you to be able to put an image in a circle in Canva. Another option is I'm going to go to the element section. Instead of shapes, I want you to go to the frames. Okay, type in frames, see if you can't see it. Press enter. Right, click on see all, and of course you can choose all the circle element frames here that you can find. You have this, you have this one right here, and of course you have this small dot here. No, we already selected it. This one, let's try to look for another circle. This one right here. So we have like almost six circles. Is it? Yeah, this is considered circle, right? So let's use that. How about this one right here? So we have like 6 circles. Now I'm going to paste again the copied element from the before. Drag it here. Going to the photo section. On the photos, you can choose any elements. You see that? You can drag as many photos as you can. For example, this goes here. The spaghetti goes here. The wardrobe goes here. This guy goes here. This goes here. So basically, that's how you put image or images here in Canva. Now I'm going to add another background and check if our design blends perfectly well, because circles have like smooth symmetrical shape that gives a clean polished look to your design, which is ideal for minimalist aesthetics, right? This format is often used in slick designs for portfolios and of course for websites. As you can see, we have already put images inside the circle. Once you're happy with that, just click on the close section, close, and share it to your client if you want by clicking the copy link, or you are welcome to download as an MP4. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.